Alright guys, so let me show you the full free jewelry first. So this is my free jewelry box. Every Saturday I come and I sell paparazzi jewelry, which is $5. So I'm going to show you what's in the free box. So these are just all the same. It is a pink, really long necklace. It's like pink and like a pearlish color and stuff. It's like $5. So if somebody like buys something or if they just want to stop by and look, it's just be like a free gift. Well, not a gift, free jewelry. I have oh my gosh, these pink earrings. I didn't know these earrings were in here. I could put this in the collection. You see, guys, I'm happy that I did that. Wow, that was crazy. So I have 1, 2, 3. I have 5 more free gifts, and these are all necklaces right here. Yeah, these are all necklaces. Just fix it up a little bit. Have long necklaces, short necklaces, medium necklaces. You name it, I have it. So these are all necklaces. I like this one. These are one of my favorites. And stuff. Right now, these are the bracelets from here. Not sure if you can see, but maybe like right there. A nice marble reddish one. This one. This is a nice green one. Here. Purple one. A little bit of silver. And these could be like chokers or like bracelets as well. This is like another like choker type one or a bracelet. This is a nice, what does it say? Metro brass bracelet. So Metro brass bracelet. Right, and these are like we sold like maybe not so. We gave away 2 free gifts, so what I have left, I have to get more. It is eyeliner and a candle. So these are the earrings that I have.
Excuse me, you want to look at some jewelry? Hello? You want to look at some jewelry?
Don't mind.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
These are pink. I have to see how guys. I have to see. Oh, this is my mom. Say hi to the camera. She's doing diamond painting. If you want to explain what that is for the YouTube.
Diamond painting is like paint by numbers, but it's using these little diamonds here. I don't know if you can see them. Use those diamonds and you put them on this picture. Hold on a minute.
She's making this for her home attendant.
I'm stuck. Oh,
phone fell.
Okay, I can't show you. Sorry.
All right, back to the paparazzi. So these are the earrings. They're pink. There's a nice lighting over here. Wow. Can you put these back in for me, please? Thank you. All right. So these are All right. So these are all bracelets. These are like separate bracelets, not from these things here. So these are all bracelets, handmade. And then here we have other rings right here. Oh, these are rings. And these are more rings that's in the bag. I like this one I just showed you guys. And this one's pretty cool too. I'm gonna ask you guys a question. If I should make this into like a set. Let me bring it all together. Yeah, so it will be, thank you. It will be this red necklace. It's called Worthy. Hello. With this bracelet. Oh, no, sorry. That wasn't a bracelet. Where's a bracelet? Sorry, right here. Okay. So, I get a pick. All right, so this is like red and silver. So I'm gonna go back to the necklace. So it's this worthy necklace, which is red, and has like different like shapes. With this bracelet, with this ring, I think it will like match perfectly because it has like an oval and stuff in it. See how it is like that? With that, or with this bracelet. I'm gonna take it out the back for you guys so you can see. Can you take this up? Yeah, so for bracelet number, just say bracelet number 1 or bracelet number 2, which I'm about to show you guys. Or bracelet number 2. Okay, focus. So this is the bracelet. I'm gonna get this one out the back too. So every Saturday I do this. Last Saturday I didn't do it because I don't really. It was raining and I don't really feel good. Can you take this one? Yeah, so just say bracelet number 1 or I can't even talk. Or bracelet number 2. So this is bracelet 1. It stretches. This one stretches. The other one doesn't. And stuff. So pick. You guys get to pick. I'm giving you guys the option to pick. Because I can make this into a set. And it could be $15 because it's $5 each. So this is what I have here, right? If you live in the New York area, in one of the 5 boroughs, then you could stop by. And I'm gonna see if you could see now my mom's diamond painting a little bit. So it's like a mosque she's doing from, what is that, mosque, right?
Mm-hmm.
From her home attendant.
Who's Muslim?
Who's Muslim. These are all the beads that she works with. So soon, like, we're gonna be starting like probably our own business with this little diamond painting and shirt making and jewelry making and everything. Oh, I do have men's rings too. Can you take this out? I'm sorry. This one. Yeah, I have 2 men's rings. I did have a men's bracelet, but I think they sold like 2 weeks ago. So this is a man's ring right here, men's ring. Sorry if it focus. This is it stretches also. And it has big fingers, fat fingers. And then this one in the back, it stretches to the back. And this is it right here. It's like gold and black stuff, which is also $5. So this is all I have. So thank you. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you help me pick the setup that I showed you guys. And until next time, see you next. Say bye. Mom.
Bye.